Hey, Christopher here. I want to look at some Q zone indicator, the bands in our Q trend indicator combined with dual money ball setups. Obviously, the market got pumped yesterday. We had institutional side flows in right out of the open going forward. They grinded up. We had one really nice pullback. Then we did have some, we consider these quick scalping trades. We did have some Q ball or money ball Q dual indicator with Q zone setups to the long side. I marked these yesterday. Just now opened my charts after some traveling, and let's review where these signals were yesterday and then through the overnight session. So yesterday later part of the afternoon, we did get some lift. That was a mid-band area or below, which is the value area to be a buyer. So we have lift of the moving average through the lower red threshold. We have upward closing candle, and we have aqua colored Q trend indicator, or you can color it whatever you want. You could have green for up and red for down and change your band colors. Regardless, we're in on the trade. Stop never more than most recent price pivot. That's too much distance for a stop on these type of trades. So I always say then default to about 3 bars back max, or most recent price pivot in the area, somewhere where price, lifted, had some lift, pulled back, lifted. We get a little pivot to form. We're in. Trade then rallied. We did get a dot on top of this candle. It means that we're getting some signs that a reversal could be imminent. And then we got rollover. And now we're, this is basically into the very, very end part of the day. No need and no reason to hold. You get to 3 o'clock or near 3 o'clock U.S. Central Time. You can just let go. And, it was a decent trade. Should have made you about 2-to-1 plus. For those of you that work the overnight session, since it's been active, you had one long. Entry is a little bit away from the mid-band area. It went up, no breakout higher, rolled over. As soon as you get rollover on the Q trend from aqua to Dodger blue, just let go. No harm, no fall. Early morning, another long trade. That one's still in and working. Yesterday, there was some good dual money ball trades. We had several. Okay, so you can see the bias shifted from downside bias to upside bias on the Moneyball Q set to a trend bias setting. The lower setting is the Moneyball Q set to a responsive setting. So we had one long right in here. We had another long right in here. We had another long right in here. That the two earlier ones did okay. It's that third one that took off and ran. Should have had 5, 6, 7-to-1 easy on that. Another way you can use the money ball as a single money ball, you can set one of them to trend bias. We show you how to do that in all the training. Anytime you have pullbacks to the mid-band or below and you get flips on your Q trend indicator, that's go time. See how we came back to the mid-band and below? In this case, since price moved right back up through, you were already maintaining aqua. There's no Dodger blue. That's actionable. And these are, considered quick scalping trades. Came back here, lifted, hooked. Right when we finally moved to aqua, we were on down candles. We only enter longs and up candles. Finally, you're getting some long candles. Back to mid-band, you have aqua. Now your go time, that one took off. So you can use the money ball as a trend bias tool, and you can use it as the impulse, looking for quick scalps in alignment with the trend bias at the time. So there you have it. That was some money ball Q trades from yesterday and what we have going into the early part of the morning as we get closer to the U.S. cash session open. If you have any questions, contact hello@QuantVue, QuantVue.io. QuantVue.io. Talk to everybody later. Have a great day.